Hello guys! Nag-rank ako sa Classic. At dito nga ay dinalawan ko agad ang dalawang magandang dilag. Dito pa talaga nangangaso si Marites.
In the name of the wind, nothing can stop me.
Bigyan sana natin dito si Aurora pero tayo pa nabigyan dahil sa passive.
Where is the boy who's like fire?
Pero hindi papayag si Boy Hangin na hindi mahipan ang kalaban.
Behold, the fury of the wind. In the name of the wind.
You have slain an enemy.
The boy who's like wind.
Inabangan ko na yung bata dito guys.
Behold, the fury of the wind.
An enemy has been slain.
Listen, it is the sound of
Gusto
the
pa
wind.
talaga ni Ma'am Marites na magmakbang ng pagong.
An ally initiate retreat turtle. Okay.
The boy who's like fire.
Nagsalo-salo muna kami sa damo.
Fury of the wind.
Ally has been slain. Killing spree. Enemy double kill. Your team destroyed a turret.
Gusto talaga tayo bigyan ni Hanabi pero mas gusto ko ako nagbibigay sa kapwa.
Mega kill.
Nakasalubong ko pa ang matalik kong kaibigan.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Simula na ng mabilis ang laban guys.
An enemy has been slain. Enemy kill. Launch attack.
Alanganin nga tayo dito guys at nabigyan pa tayo pero si Silong ay madiskarte.
Initiate retreat. Slain mode. Request backup has been slain.
Behold, the fury of the wind.
Killing spree. Back.
May nakasalubong pa akong aso at balak pa akong tagatin, buti na lang nakatakbo tayo.
Spree.
Nakalimutan kong kaibigan ko nga pala si Guinevere kaya binulikan ko.
Down.
Hindi na nadala yung aso, gusto pa tayo itulak ng amo.
Like wind. Behold,
Enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Mamunat talaga ang amo niya.
Killing spree.
behold,
Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Launch.
in the name of the wind.
Shut down. Has slain. Okay. Initiate retreat. An ally has been slain.
Behold, the fury of the wind.
Nabigyan din kita, itali mo kasi aso mo. At ganito ang mangyayari kapag wala kayong map awareness, good game talaga.
It is the sound of the winds.
Victory!
Maraming salamat guys.